Hello everyone and welcome back to Vlada's Place. In today's video, I'm going to share a quick tip on how to replant, regrow and reuse store-bought lettuce like butter lettuce. One of my favorite salads is made with butter lettuce. Due to being so tender and delicate, this salad is often sold with roots. And if you buy it with roots, there's no reason why you shouldn't replant it. After removing and using outer leaves, water the roots well and plant them in a regular potting soil. Before planting it, it would help if you would loosen up the roots so the butter lettuce will grow faster, stronger, and better. Besides being well tangled, these roots are very fragile, so be careful as you try to loosen them up. Otherwise, you will break them and this will only hurt the plant. A regular wooden chopstick will do a great job. Once done, just plant them in regular potting soil. A next very important tip is not to take this new butter lettuce on a direct sun. Instead, keep them in a very bright, shady area for a few days. Assuming you do this right, in a couple of weeks, you're gonna have a fresh batch of a butter lettuce for your salad. My grandmother and my mom used to grow rows and rows of beautiful butter lettuce in their garden. During the springtime, these beautiful greens were served as a side dish to so many different dishes. After harvesting your butter lettuce, important thing to remember is to leave a few leaves like we did last time so the plant can continue to grow and you can have another harvest in a couple of weeks. And while we at it, this is my grandmother's way of making fresh garden salad. A pinch of salt and a drizzle of raw honey. Here comes a splash of apple cider vinegar, and then we're gonna wrap each leaf in salt and vinegar mixture. Now top it off with a few drops of extra virgin olive oil and we are ready to serve. On today's menu is a homemade risotto with the teriyaki and ginger chicken. Thank you all so much for watching and big hello to all of our subscribers. If you're with us for the first time, please check out my charitable organization called Vlada's Seeds of Life and its television cooking program called Cooking and Kids. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give us your thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you again, and till the next video, please take good care of yourself and those around you.